To get animated wallpapers on a Samsung Galaxy S25, you will have to start by opening Settings. Now start scrolling for Wallpaper and Style and go to Change Wallpapers. Now scroll all the way down, select from Galaxy Themes, or you can also get this button to get more wallpapers. There we go. Now click on the right upper corner and input this phrase animated. Click on the search, and as you can see here, we can find some animated wallpapers. If we want to apply them, like for example this one, this is the preview how it actually looks. You can just click download and get it. Some of them will be also visible as video, like this one. Sometimes you will have to pay for them, sometimes they are free. It depends on the thing that you're gonna choose. Like for example this one, this Christmas gold green. And that's how it basically looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.